Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get started using the Ecwid app. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ecwid.com website if you've not already. You can do all of this directly in the application, but it's much easier if you first use it in your PC browser to go ahead and create an account, set up your store, and then you can get started with using the app itself. So by opening up Ecwid, you can get started with logging in, create a new account if you do not already have one, and after logging in, you'll be successfully greeted by this homepage right here where on the left side of the screen you can find all the sections such as dashboard, sales, catalog, and so on. And now you can get started with the app. So guys, depending if you have an Android or an iPhone, you can go ahead and get started by going to the App Store and searching for Ecwid e-commerce. This is how the app is called. So you want to search for Ecwid e-commerce, and this is going to enable you to go ahead and install the app to your mobile phone, and you have the option and the preview of how the app is going to look. So you're going to have your application right here where you can manage all your store product info and your shipping. Everything regarding the app is going to be usable right there after installing it. So from there you'll be able to access all the same options right here, but you'll probably have more options directly in the web browser than in the application, so keep that in mind. But basically that's how to get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.